Hi everyone, I'm your AI host, powered by some of the most advanced language technology in the world, trained on billions of data points about finance, technology, and digital innovation. My purpose is to simplify complex topics, making them accessible and understandable for everyone, especially when it comes to the rapidly evolving world of digital finance. Today, we're answering a simple but powerful question. What is Bitcoin? This isn't just about a digital currency. It's about understanding a fundamental shift in how we perceive and interact with money in the 21st century. If you've ever heard people talk about Bitcoin and thought, I have no idea what that really means, don't worry. You're not alone, and many find its concepts initially challenging. We're here to break it down for you. By the end of this video, you'll understand it clearly. No tech talk, no confusion. We'll cover its origins, how it works, and why it's become such a significant topic globally, all in plain language. Let's start simple. Bitcoin is a kind of digital money, but unlike the dollars, euros, or pounds in your bank, it's not controlled by any government or bank. This decentralization is a core principle, meaning no single entity has power over its issuance or transactions. Think of Bitcoin like cash for the internet. Money you can send directly to someone anywhere in the world without needing a bank or app like PayPal. This peer-to-peer system eliminates intermediaries, offering a direct and often faster way to transfer value across borders. Bitcoin works on something called a blockchain, which is just a special record, a public database that tracks every single Bitcoin transaction ever made. This blockchain is a shared, immutable record, ensuring transparency and security for all participants. Before Bitcoin, sending money online always required a middleman, a bank or payment company. That meant fees, delays, and restrictions, especially for international transfers, often making financial services inaccessible or expensive for many. Bitcoin was created to solve that, to make money peer-to-peer, meaning directly from one person to another, instantly, anywhere on Earth. This innovation aimed to democratize finance, offering a global, borderless alternative to traditional banking systems. Bitcoin was invented in 2009 by someone, or maybe a group, using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. No one knows who they really are, adding an element of mystery to the cryptocurrency's origins, though their white paper laid out the foundational principles clearly. They wanted to build a system that didn't rely on trust in banks or governments, but trust in math and technology. This vision was to create a robust, censorship-resistant financial system, secured by cryptography rather than centralized institutions. Pretty cool, right? Here's how it works. When you send Bitcoin, that transaction goes to thousands of computers around the world, forming a decentralized network. This distributed ledger ensures that no single point of failure can compromise the system. Those computers, called miners, check and confirm the transaction by solving complex cryptographic puzzles. Once verified, it's added to the blockchain, a permanent record that can't be changed or erased, creating an immutable history of all transactions. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever exist. That's built into the code, making it a scarce asset. So unlike traditional money, no one can just print more, which is why people often call Bitcoin digital gold, valuing its fixed supply. People use Bitcoin for many reasons. Some see it as a new kind of money for the digital world, enabling fast and low-cost international money transfers, bypassing traditional banking systems and their limitations. Others invest in it, hoping its value will grow due to its limited supply and increasing adoption. And some value Bitcoin's freedom, especially in places where banks are unstable or hard to access, offering financial services to individuals without traditional banking. But remember, Bitcoin prices can rise and fall quickly, exhibiting significant volatility. Always learn and research thoroughly before investing, understanding the risks involved in this rapidly changing market. Since Bitcoin was created, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have followed, like Ethereum and Solana, each offering unique features and functionalities. These altcoins have expanded the digital asset landscape, building on Bitcoin's foundational concepts. But Bitcoin was the first, and it's still the most valuable and trusted, often seen as the benchmark for the entire crypto market. It's not just money. It's a revolution in how we think about trust, ownership, and freedom online, challenging traditional financial paradigms. And that's Bitcoin, digital money that runs on code, not control. It represents a paradigm shift towards a more decentralized and transparent financial future, offering both opportunities and challenges for users worldwide. If this video helped you understand the basics, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy AI explanations like this. Your support helps us create more content that demystifies complex topics in finance and technology. Speech Balloon and check out our 24/7 YouTube live stream, where you can chat live and see real-time market news anytime. It's a great resource for staying updated and engaging with our community. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Waving hand.